Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're setting up Venmo to split bills, pay friends, or cash out your balance, linking your bank account is the single best way to avoid credit card fees and transfer money for free. Let us go through these simple quick steps. So we just need to firstly head into your wallet settings inside Venmo. So open your Venmo, of course, tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner, depending on your version, of course. Is going to be this little icon showing your profile picture or initials. Scroll down to the wallet section and tap Add Bank or Card. It can also be called a section of Payment Methods, and then you find this button here. Then select Bank from the top, and then we continue. Now, Venmo will ask you now if you'd like to verify your bank accounts, and you have two choices. So option 1. It's instant verification using Plaid. You can just tap Next, search for your bank, and sign in with your online banking username and password. This links your checking or savings account instantly. Option 2 is manual verification. If you prefer not to enter your banking login credentials, you can choose manual setup and enter your routing number and account number. And Venmo will send 2 tiny micro deposits under $1 to your account within 1 to 3 business days to confirm ownership. And also pro tip, before making any transfers, double check that you're linking a checking account rather than savings account if you plan to make frequent transactions. So that is it. Once authorized via Plaid or verified with micro deposits, your bank account will sit as a verified funding source of 100% fee-free transfers. That is it, guys. Enjoy this one.